PigglesDiGaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikiba show. Yo, may I tell you something? In life, there are certain things that are constant. Taxes, debt, and change. Peer pressure, like Arsenal finishing above Tottenham Hotspur. Peer pressure, Jackie Chan doing his own stunts in his movies. And peer pressure. No, peer pressure is something that, I don't know, it's a thing, right? It's a real thing. And we have been taught to fear peer pressure. We have been taught that peer pressure is usually negative, right? From your little child, peer pressure is constant throughout your life. And the thing about peer pressure is you can use it as an excuse, and that's unfair. So while in my teenage life, I was trying not to have premarital sex, not trying to get tattoos or ear piercings or drugs or drinking, adults like my parents were worried about planning a super dope vacation or getting our visas or buying a house or getting a new car, because those are the adult things that peer pressure has to give you. And it's a real thing. While growing up, my mother said to me, so Andrew, if your friend jump off a cliff, you gotta jump off too? I would have said, no mom, because like jumping off a cliff isn't cool, I'm not stupid. I thought, because I dare not say that to my mother, because you know that Jamaican parents, Caribbean parents, and to a lesser extent black parents don't play that crap. We don't play them game there. My mother would have said something like, me bring you in the world and me can take you right back out tight. For those who don't understand, that means she birthed me and she can also kill me. Yeah. Peer pressure is not only negative, you have positive peer pressure. Persons who want you to excel in life. So if you surround yourself with positive persons and those persons want you to invest in stocks, develop yourself, go back to school and study, it may just influence your decisions. But some people are above the fray and above all this peer pressure nonsense and make their own decisions. And now, even as a 30-year-old, it's freaking real. On Facebook, you see people getting married, people getting engaged, people having babies, people buying new houses, while I'm here just in Japan. I mean, and my life is no way sorted out. Oh God, I can't do it. But one thing I do know, I want to be happy. So in the comments down below, please tell me, what was your peer pressure as a child, teenager, and even now as an adult? Alright? As a matter of fact, YouTube have peer pressure. Everybody want you to do a video about this and about that and some that. See you in the next video, guys. Peace out. Bam.